I am here with Dan Krause, the founder of AL Focus and now editor with Booklist magazine and author of the forthcoming young adult novel, The Monster Variations. Just completing his reading on the Live at Your Library stage.
I fought hard for the coveted 3 p.m. Monday slot. Sherman Alexie wanted it originally, and I said, over my dead body.
Tell us what it's like being the speaker rather than the coverer of the conference.
That's a tough call. On the one hand, I don't like being the one that the attention is on. But on the other hand, it's nice not to be lugging camera equipment around. So there's pros and cons to being on either side, certainly.
Okay. And tell us about your book, The Monster Variations.
It comes out from Random House Delacorte on August 11th. And it is a story about 3 boys growing up and growing apart over a summer in a small town where there's been a few hit and runs, and the town has imposed a curfew for the summer. And then it's about these boys sort of navigating that summer amidst the paranoia that is turning the town against each other and the boys against each other as well.
And a young adult novel?
Yeah, it certainly could be read by adults. It's sort of a high school level a young adult novel.
I'll stretch it out, though. He insisted I stretch this out, so I'll read very slowly, and then I'll occasionally throw candy.